Dude, my name's Tyrone Stevens. This is probably gonna be most likely my first vlog. I watch a lot of other YouTubers who race and build cars and drift. So I'm trying to get into that. So right now, I have a third brake light that I need to put in. Mine's are pretty clouds, so I have two for each side. And for a mod, I have the rear strut brace tower thing that goes in there, so that's what I'm going to be working on. Third rear brake light. I have this one doesn't work really. It's all like half working or whatever, so that's what I'm going to do. Oh shit. Put it right there. I'm not sure what it is. I think it's a 10 mil maybe. Oh shit! I'm definitely not gonna be able to reach that with this. I'm using basic tools, so I'm probably gonna have to use a wrench. This one is a 7/16. Maybe, man, this is gonna fucking suck. I don't know, I need to buy tools. That's what I need to do. But this is looking slow for me, so we're probably gonna do the window seals. I took off this upper window seal. This is how it looks. All naked and stuff. It goes all the way down. So it snaps on here and it snaps on over here. And I think that's it. So here's the new one. They're pretty long. The top one is the old one. So some of the parts were missing and it's all crusty and stuff. Here's all the things I need to snap it on. So this is probably gonna be hard putting it on with one hand, but let's give it a try. Oh wait, I guess I could take this piece off right here, this little piece. Take some pliers and just rip this shit off. Oh man. Hold on, I'll be right back. I got most of it in. I don't know why this piece is out, but yeah. Just have to clean it, but the new one's in. And these two things are not going in, which is pissing me off. Yay. So I took the old ones. You can see they look different. These are more longer and a little thicker. And these are like fucking stubs. Like, come on now. Like, look what happens when you put it in. They just pop right out. So I don't know what happened there. They're brand new ones, like $120 each. And now they're not going in. So I have to use the old like stud things from the old roof rail weather strips. And so yeah, I'll be right back again. The old weather strips, and this one's from the new one. So you can see a big difference. They're longer. I'm not sure why. I thought it would be OEM, but they're not, so man, I have to improvise. 3 with my best friend right here. I got them in, so the whole thing's looking better now. I have to tuck that in. That part looks ugly, but nope, it's all coming together. Got Mustang parts from American Muscle. Just so you guys know, these are not OEM. They are super different. You can tell like how much thickness they are here. These are OEM from Ford from 2001. 2001 Mustang GT. These are original OEM ones. Now look at the difference in the corner. See how small there it is? They're way thicker. These roof rails from American Muscle, they do fit, but they're just like modified. So, but they do fit and they work.
So everything's all good.
So right now I'm doing a routine, you know, I'm just driving and whatnot, and you know, minding my business, and then, you know, fucking it starts raining. Oh, oh shit, it's raining. Hopefully everything's good. Hey, I did it. Fuck yes, I'm wet a little bit, and it's not raining as you can see, but it seems like it held up. Fuck yeah. Ooh, just finished the right side, passenger side. Oh man, that sure was a headache. Let's see how it is. Everything looks good so far.
A portion of the proceeds from each sale will be.
Everything looks good. Let's see. That looks good to me. Everything looks sealed. I think I did a good job. Yes, indeed. Here's the outside view. Sorry, that was my neighbor talking to me. Thing looks good. Now, same for the rear strut tire brace. Gotta take out all this stuff. I'm sure I'm gonna have to do some cutting because it goes across from like that like coil-over thing to like that way. I don't know what to call those things, but I have to take out all this stuff. I think this comes straight up. I guess it does. Oh, what the heck? I think I might have to open the back. The two seats in the back to pull this part out. Because it's not coming out. Right now, I really don't need to take this part out. I just have to take this outer part. So I'm just unscrewing this little twisty cap thing. Taking forever. I just have to get this piece off. So the strut will be right there. Well, I mean, the strut tire brace, which will give this car more of a better handling, I guess. Something on there? What the heck is this thing right here? Gotta get it. What's this thing right here? It's holding it in. Man, freaking ripped my glove. Yo, that little thing is hard. Freak. Oh, come on. Dude. Oh my god. I'm looking through the camera, trying to do this at the same time. I gotta do it off. They should just leave it like this race car status. So there's the other strut. And it should go something like that. Wait, just like that. Right across. I think it's pretty cool, and it helps my car handle better. I just have to take those bolts off, and yeah. It's been like an hour. These bolts aren't coming out. I don't know why. Hold on. I don't know why these bolts aren't coming out. I tried everything. I must not have the right tools, because these shits are just spinning, and they're not getting unloosed. So I guess they have like some safety feature on it. I need like 2 tools to hold the screw down and then unscrew the bolt. It's horrible. These 2 things, I can't get them off and put this brace on, and I'm tight. I'll show you what I mean. And I'm like stripping the bolt one more, see? And it doesn't do anything. I would need something to like hold this piece down, hold this down, and then unscrew this bolt right here. And I don't have those tools because I am a loser. Oh my gosh, this is so annoying. Like, why? Why did you have to make it so hard? I'm just trying to mod my car, like. That's the end of the video. I can't do anything else. I don't have the right tools. Like, subscribe, comment. If you hit the bell in the corner, I would be posting more. I just don't know what to post yet. I need more car parts. Maybe I could post videos of me hanging out with my friends. But for right now, I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.